Hi, I'm John Strong. I'm the Chairman and CEO of Bankers Financial Corporation. A question we commonly get asked is, what are all the businesses that Bankers in and why are you in the businesses you're in? So let me just take a moment and try to illustrate the various different businesses that we are in and why and how we got there. First of all, the company was started by Bob Menke. He's the founder, in 1976. Bob Menke was a very classic, quintessential entrepreneur and saw all sorts of opportunities that other people didn't see. And he also saw ways that various businesses could have synergistic capabilities and help each other that many other people missed. I would say that we're just now beginning to appreciate some of those synergies as technology continues to evolve. We believe it puts us into a very strong competitive position as a result of Bob Menke's vision. So let me just review for you the various businesses that we are in, and I like to sort of separate them into our at-risk businesses and our service businesses. Our at-risk businesses are our insurance companies. Starting with BIC, Bankers Insurance Corporation. BIC is licensed in 49 states. We can write business in any of those 49 states, and we primarily use BIC today for our bail business, Bankers Surety. We're actually the largest writer of bail business in the United States. Hopefully most of us never need that service, but that is a service that is needed by people, and we're the company that helps write the bond to help get people out of jail. We have a relationship with well over 800 agents across the United States. California is our largest market. Our next company are our property and casualty insurance companies, and we're in both personal and commercial lines, and we write predominantly in the hurricane catastrophe areas. So North and South Carolina, Florida, Louisiana, and Texas. Those are our core states. We write homeowners insurance, we write business insurance. We've been in that business for years. We've been here when the big storms hit, when Andrew hit, 2004, when we had 4 class 4 or 5 cats in Florida. So we've been through the tough years. We think one of the areas where our company really stands out in this personal lines and commercial insurance is our claims capability. We have really strong claim servicing and claims expertise. It's one of our differentiators. And we're also very, very strong in flood. It's one of the areas where the company really hit the radar on a national basis. We were second to State Farm in servicing the federal flood business at one point. In the past, we sold that business. We're now getting back into it, and we've got some fantastic strength and expertise internally, and we plan on being a leader in the flood business in the future. Now I'll just switch over to our servicing companies, and our servicing companies are predominantly B2B, business-to-business servicing organizations. And I'll start up in the north with Van Wagenen Financial Services. Van Wagenen is headquartered in Eden Prairie, Minnesota, which is a suburb to the west of Minneapolis. They've been in business for 80 years. They really got into the industry partnering with Wells Fargo long ago, which also started in Minneapolis. But what Van Wagenen does is Van Wagenen provides force-place insurance for the mortgage and the auto credit businesses. So we have a relationship with 450 banks and credit unions and several of the large auto credit companies as well. Several of our clients are companies that you know well: Ford, General Motors, Capital One. Those are our clients, as well as many other banks and credit unions across the United States. We're also in the warranty businesses, both on the commercial side and in the home side. So in the home mortgage businesses, we write structural home warranties, and we're the largest writer of structural home warranties for new homes in the United States. We have a relationship with probably 4,000 builders, and great relationship with them. We're literally all across the United States. It's an area that we think is very exciting. We also see that there's really fantastic opportunity with the relationship and the data that we get through our structural warranty business and how we can use that for our property underwriting capabilities, and you'll see more of that in the future. We're also in the commercial insurance, commercial warranty business. So for example, you're all familiar with Brookstone. As you walk through the airport, we write the warranty for many of the products that are in Brookstone. We write products for other companies that you may have heard, like Car Toys, which is a large organization in Seattle, Curacao, which is a large department store in Southern California, Arizona, and now in Las Vegas. We write their warranty businesses and we service their warranties as well. We're excited about that business as a warranty, I think, is evolving, and I think businesses are moving from, and products are moving from having an extended warranty to really a company or a partner that can actually help provide service and be a brand extension to those organizations. So as we're seeing more and more large manufacturers wanting to go direct to consumer, or we're seeing new businesses evolve in the insurtech space, those are areas that we're participating in and we think are going to be big opportunities for us as well. And again, we see some very significant synergies across our other businesses. BinTech is an insurance servicing company. BinTech currently provides claim servicing support for one of the largest insurance companies in the United States. We've done a spectacular job for them, I'm proud to say, and they actually use us to help benchmark our service against their internal services. It's an area that we're continuing to look for opportunities as to how we can provide great claim services for other organizations and other insurance companies. And then last, I think I'll end with Decision HR. And Decision HR is a PEO, Professional Employment Organization. They're licensed in 44 states. They provide predominantly payroll and benefits administration, as well as other HR functions, and we do that for primarily the mid and small-sized companies. I think the timing is right now as we have additional compliance issues and regulatory issues that are placed upon mid and small-sized businesses. It's challenging, and Decision HR is in a good position to be able to help partner with those companies and provide those supports to them. We have 1,200 clients that we service, and we have about 22,000 employees that we aggregate, and we manage all of those employees under one umbrella. As a result of that, we're able to leverage those economies of scale and give additional discounts out to the clients that we provide those services for. So that pretty much makes up Bankers. Those are our business entities. Aside from that, we have a couple crazy things. We've got a large property in Central Florida called the Gilchrist Club. We're excited about being great stewards of land. We've got about a 25,000 acre property there with some fantastic, beautiful lakes, and it's very pristine. We love the fact that we're keeping it natural, and we think that's important to the state of Florida. And that, again, comes back to part of Bob Mackey's vision and helps reflect a lot of the things that are important to him.